And while the language row between the centre and Tamil Nadu continues, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has launched a scathing attack on the MK Stalin administration over the matter. In a recent interview, Yogi Adityanath has claimed that schools in Uttar Pradesh are teaching Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Bengali and Marathi, which is boosting employment opportunities in the state. Remember, the Tamil Nadu government has been a vocal critic of the centre's three-language mandate under the National Education Policy. The Stalin administration has also argued that the policy imposes Hindi over regional languages and threatens India's linguistic diversity. Yogi Adityanath has, however, countered this argument and asserted that opposing the policy is rooted in narrow political interests that could harm the prospects of youth employment.
मैं तो कहता हूं भाई यूपी में हम लोग तो तमिल भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, तेलुगु भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, मलयालम भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, कन्नड़ भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, बंगाली भी पढ़ा रहे हैं, मराठी भी पढ़ा रहे हैं। तो यूपी क्या उससे छोटा हो गया क्या? यूपी में रोजगार के नए अवसर खुल रहे हैं, नए लोगों को रोज जॉब क्रिएट हो रहे हैं। जो लोग अपने संकीर्ण राजनीतिक स्वार्थों के नाते ये भाषा विवाद खड़ा कर रहे हैं, उनकी राजनीतिक उल्लू सीधा तो हो सकता है, लेकिन युवाओं के एम्प्लॉयमेंट में वे एक प्रकार का प्रहार कर रहे हैं।
आपका इशारा स्टालिन की तरफ है?
कोई भी हो, वे वही कर रहे हैं और यही कारण है कि वे राज्य धीरे धीरे करके पिछड़ते जा रहे हैं।
लेकिन उनका स्टालिन का ये भी उन्होंने धमकी भी दी है कि वो आंदोलन करेंगे अगर ये ऐसा चलता रहा तो इससे तो देश टूटेगा।
उनके पास कोई मुद्दा दूसरा तो है नहीं। इसी प्रकार की भावनाओं को भड़का करके लोग अपने राजनीतिक उल्लू को सीधा करते हैं।
The opposition, on the other hand, has hit back at the UP Chief Minister regarding his comments on the Tamil Nadu government. In a social media post, Karthi Chidambaram has pointed out that while other states received educational funds from the centre, Tamil Nadu was excluded.
It has become habitual of the BJP, let it be the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh or let it be the Home Minister of India, to give misinformation to people of India and Tamil Nadu by giving vague statements. The UP Chief Minister, who just comes and vaguely says that Tamil and all the languages are being taught in UP, you cannot give examples of exception as a routine. If that is the logic, there are many schools in Tamil Nadu which are teaching Hindi. There are state universities which are teaching Hindi and Sanskrit.
Expected to oppose what Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has told on the language controversy. Mr. Yogi Adityanath has told that in Uttar Pradesh, multiple languages are being taught to students. This includes Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, Marathi, and Bengali. And he also says that this gives a lot of job opportunities to the youth, and this is also a way to generate employment, is what he says. And he claims that some political parties, in the name of language controversy, they are denying their state's youth the rightful share of employment opportunities, is what he says. So definitely this statement from Yogi Adityanath is expected to face severe criticism from the DMK, especially Mr. MK Stalin. The Chief Minister is yet to react on this statement from Yogi Adityanath, but very soon, towards the end of the day, we can see a tweet or a statement from the Chief Minister is what the government sources are indicating us. But meanwhile, in fact, we also have reaction from Congress MP Karthi Chidambaram. He has told that Tamil Nadu will never accept a third language. A third language should not be imposed on Tamil Nadu, is what Mr. Karthi Chidambaram has told. Will the UP government give details of how many teachers are there in schools to teach Tamil in Uttar Pradesh? That is a question that is being raised by Karthi Chidambaram. How many students have enrolled themselves in Uttar Pradesh to learn Tamil? How many teachers have been employed by the UP government to teach Tamil? Will the state government of Uttar Pradesh be able to provide these data, these details and numbers, is what Karthi Chidambaram is saying. And he's also going on to tell that there is no reason for students in Tamil Nadu to compulsorily learn Hindi. And none of the migrant workers who come to Tamil Nadu come with any prior knowledge of Tamil. So stop your, conspiracy theories. Stop your fake narratives. Is what Mr. Karthi Chidambaram has to say. So the Tamil Nadu Congress has reacted. Mr. Karthi Chidambaram has reacted. We're yet to see, some big reaction from the DMK until now on this matter. But definitely we can see a reaction from either the Chief Minister or the Deputy Chief Minister on this remark by Yogi Adityanath very soon.
And now shifting focus, we are